Hi, so the activity that I found interesting was working with Oreo cookies. They're fractions with Oreos, and what you do is you take the Oreo cookie, you open up the Oreo cookie, and with the frosting, you take a knife and you carefully cut the frosting into the desired fraction. What this person did was they cut the fractions into fourths, and they had a total of 3 mats, one that consisted of seconds, thirds, and fourths, and you can laminate the mats. This way you can wipe off the laminate of the mats like super easily with a wipe, and it's not as messy. You are really kind of working with third grade level, and you copy the fraction picture on the mat with the Oreo frosting. And with the first Oreo frosting, you would cut the half of the Oreo cookie into a fourth, and then you put the Oreo cookie with the little 1/4 of a frosting on the fourth of a fraction mat. And then the other cookie, you cut the Oreo cookie with the knife in a half, and you put that on the second mat. On the third mat, you cut it in 3/4, and then on the fourth mat, you cut it into 4/4. The fraction mats can be used for more than just Oreos, but this particular project was directly geared towards working with Oreo cookies. I thought it was a fun project to work with for third graders because they love cookies, they like anything that they can eat, and I thought it would be fun. I have an 8-year-old son who's in second grade, and he enjoys eating cookies. So I just thought it would be a fun activity to do for third graders, and at the end of the project they can go ahead and eat them. It helps them to, I believe it helps them to understand fractions more easily because it's not as boring. It's something that they can enjoy eating afterwards, and it's something that they can look forward to. It's also more of a hands-on learning activity instead of just something like out of the book or out of a math book assignment or something on a tablet. It's something that's like physically visible and something that is edible in the end. So I was just drawn to this activity. I think it's really fun and easy and super easy cleanup and something that the children would enjoy doing. All right, thanks. Bye.